the fashion hauls are back, So I saw a trend on TikTok yung what I ordered versus what I received, and I really wanna make a video about it. Actually, gumawa na ako ng parang reels or TikTok video about it, pero hindi pa ako nakagawa ng YouTube video. So here we are, and we are starting with Cider. So Cider is a fashion brand. Meron silang website and meron din silang app kung saan yung mas convenient sa'yo. Although, to be honest, the price is kinda expensive for us na sanay sa mga under 1,000 pesos na budol outfits online. I really want to buy something from them. Kaso wala po silang direct shipping to Philippines. Like, nagsiship sila internationally pero hindi yun like direct to Philippines. So, kapag nag-order ka, dadaan pa siya sa customs and all. Ang daming process. So now, I am very happy to announce na available na sila sa Lazada, kaya nakabili na ang ate nyo. Kaya meron na tayong try-on haul today. So we are starting off with what I am wearing right now. This is the butterfly embroidered wide leg pants. And we have here the floral details knit tank top. These two, I was not really expecting na mag-go together sila. Because nung nagsha-shop ako, I was prioritizing getting yung mga coordinates. When you shop kasi sa Cider and punta ka dun sa coordinates section nila, magkakatabi dun yung mga magkaka-pair. Kasi yung listing nila dun per top at saka per pants, hindi sila both. Meron din namang mga both, pero karamihan magkahiwalay yung listing. So, etong dalawa, hindi sila nag-go together. But, it ended up being my favorite coordinates na pinut up ko for this video. For example, itong top na to, pangatlong beses ko na tong sinuot kasi sobrang gusto ko talaga yung quality niya. Sobrang lightweight niya. Although it's knitted, sobrang lightweight niya. Parang may nakasabit lang na tela sa katawan mo. This is what it looks like sa likod. Ayun nga lang, if you're gonna do something active sa labas, lagay ka dito ng fashion tape kasi medyo loose siya. But other than that, I super love this top. This is my favorite out of all the tops that I've ordered. Next top, dito sa pants, this is the butterfly embroidered wide leg pants. It is wide leg. Ang kulay niya ay creamy white and I really love the embroidery. Sobrang lakas, maka-teenager. Itong outfit na to, like, it screams happiness and color sa buhay ko. So, rating these two, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. No other questions. Next up, we have this coordinate set, and this time yung listing niya, isa na lang siya, like isang set na lang siya. Isa na lang ako para mas matangkad ako tignan. Grabe yung material nito, guys. Stretchable to. Yan. Stretchable siya. So, it's very comfortable kapag sinuot mo siya. This one, saktong-sakto lang siya sa expectations ko. So, I'm rating it an 8 out of 10. Hindi siya 10 just because parang I am missing something lang dito. Next up, we have this super cute light blue with white flowers, floral design coordinates. Although these two, hindi na sila magkasama, hindi na sila set. So magkahiwalay mo silang bibilin. I really like the fabric. So this is the top. Meron tayong lace detail dito and parang siyang corset type dito sa baba. Removing it sa pagkaka-tuck in, ganyan yung itsura niya sa baba. And meron siyang smoke detail dito sa likod. So, this is not zippered. Okay? Ito na talaga yon, yung stretchy part sa likod. The pants, although it doesn't have any pockets, sobrang ganda niya at hindi halata yung bulge. Kasi, you know, may puso ng ate nyo. Hindi masyadong halata yung bulge sa puson ko. At ang ganda niya sa likod! Wala akong inalter dito sa mga damit na to. It came na ganito na sila at sobrang gustong-gusto ko na fit sa akin yung mga pants. Most of the time kasi mga binibili ko online, hindi nagkakasya, hindi lumulusot past dito sa hita ko since lumapad na nga yung hita ko, di ba? Hanggang dito lang sila. So although kasya sila dito, tsaka dito sa leeg ko yung sinusukat, kasya siya dito sa taas, pero hindi siya nag-go through sa hita ko. Pero dito sa mga pants nila, mostly, meron akong hindi nagustuhan, pero mostly, kasya talaga sila sa akin at nag-fit sila sa akin. Etong pants na to, wide leg siya, pero pa-straight siya. Hindi siya yung pa-bell bottom type of pants. So, I really love the idea of these two nang separately. I don't like wearing it like this. TBH, kung susuotin ko man to, iba yung pants ko or iba yung top ko. Hindi yung ganitong magkasama sila because I think parang yung cortina. So, rating this outfit, it's a 3 out of 10 for me. But, rating yung isa-isa, this is an 8 out of 10 and this is a 10 out of 10. definitely makikita nyo pa tong pants na to na maraming beses sa OOTDs ko sa Instagram. So for the next coordinate set that I just put together, we have this. This is a very sporty vibe, although hindi ito talaga yung usual style ko. Pero you know, once in a while, pag gusto ko maging sporty, may damit ako pang sporty. So this top is very new to me kasi first time ko lang magsuot ng top na ganito. Hindi ko nga alam kung tinatay ba talaga siya sa likod. But this top is very comfortable and lightweight. So I think na magagamit ko siya mas maraming beses kaysa sa iniisip ko. Kasi iniisip ko kasi masusuot ko lang siya kapag sporty. Pero dahil yun nga, comfy siya, feeling ko mas masusuot ko siya ng maraming beses. The pants! This is a cargo maong pants, color beige. Meron tayong mga pockets dito and dito. Hello! I am very surprised na sobrang fit na fit sa katawan ko nitong pants. So this coordinate outfit is definitely a 10 out of 10. Etong top, I feel like it's an 8 lang. Parang nakukulangan lang ako sa kanya, pero it's really good. Pero you know, may something lang, kaya 8 lang siya. But 8 is still good, okay? The pants, 10 out of 10. No questions, love the fit and everything. Okay, another outfit that I'm very proud of is this. Hindi na naman ito magkasama, hindi na naman sila coordinates, but I am in love with this combo. Kahit yung isa-isa, yung top, yung pants, love ko sila individually. Let me tell you why. First off, sa top, wala tayong zippers, wala rin tayong stretchable smock detail dito sa likod. It's the string. And medyo na-off ako actually dun sa string na yun kasi kailangan mo pa siyang ibuka, kailangan mo pa siyang isara every time na alisin mo siya, to susuotin mo siya. But this, maliban sa sobrang ganda niya tignan sa akin, na-hide niya pa yung braso ko. And for someone na may malaking braso like me, this is a lifesaver. For the pants, this is actually another favorite of mine. This is a beige colored pants. More like creamy white siya. Yung kulay niya. This is high-waisted but I feel like meron pa siyang high-waisted kasi as you can see, medyo may nakikita. This is also wide leg. So kung mahilig kayo sa mga wide leg pants, this is for you. This is the fit sa likod. Again, sobrang perfect siya sa body ko. Yun nga lang, the high-waisted part. Yun lang. Medyo iffy lang ako doon. But these two together, it's like a 10 out of 10. But rating it isa-isa, this is a 9 out of 10 for me because of the string. Sana meron na lang zipper dito sa gilid para mas madali siyang isuot, tas hindi nagagalawin yung string. And for the pants, it's an 8 out of 10 because of the bulge. Bulge talaga! May bulge ka, te. Pero, you know what I'm saying. I was rooting for all the clothes na in-order ko sa Cider, but excited din ako dito sa dalawang to. Mostly because yung photo nila dun sa listing, sobrang ganda dun sa babae, etong top. Sobrang ganda dun sa model nila. Okay? Sa akin, it's not for my body type. Para nagmukha akong malapad. At saka it has this weird something dito sa may armpit. Ayun no? Parang extra tela. I don't know, maybe it's meant for bustier girls. Para ganyan siya. Pero meron siyang weird na something dito. And for the pants, maybe you can tell kung bakit ayaw ko siyang isuot. It's high-waisted, but it's not high-waisted enough. And I'm very, very disappointed kasi yung listing nila, sobrang ganda! Sobrang ganda nung pants. Na nung ina-add to cart ko siya, feeling ko talaga magiging favorite pants ko to kasi parang bell-bottom siya. Ganyan. Hindi naman super bell-bottom, pero wide yung dulo niya. Pero you know what I'm saying? Actually, hindi pa nga ito yung outfit na pinaplano ko for these two items. But since disappointed talaga ako sa kanilang dalawa, pinagsama ko na lang sila. Second to the last outfit for today is this dress. Obviously, I have to wear like better undergarments. Kailangan ko ng something to hide my puson. But this dress is everything. Sobrang elegant niyang tignan. Sobrang nagagandahan ako dito and the quality is like super great. Sobrang ganda. Okay, but my thing is this flap. Kanina pa to sinusuot at lagi siyang umaangat. Okay, konting galaw lang, umaangat siya. But anyway, this is still a 7 out of 10 for me. Last outfit for today. is this dress. And I can tell na sobrang na-shock din kayo. Kung hindi kayo na-shock, edi okay, edi wag. Look at this! Sobrang ganda ng fit niya sa akin. Although, of course, I have to wear like, nakalimutan ko anong tawag dun. Basta something to hide my puson again because sobrang kitang-kita siya. But something to note, okay, para makita nyo rin na kailangan nyo ng underpants kung medyo mapuson din kayo like me. Yung slit, sobrang sakto lang niya na hindi siya sobrang daring. Yung ibang slit kasi na nabibili ko online hanggang dito, te. So, kamusta naman yon? Diba? Ito sobrang sakto lang niya. Pang elegant date night. Oh, gusto niyo yon? This will definitely be one of my favorite dresses dito sa closet ko because it's super elegant. Sobrang gusto ko siya. I love it. This is a 10 out of 10 for me. So, that is it for this video and I can really say that Cider has a very good quality clothes and yung ibang clothes sa kanila, as I've said, nag-exceed pa sa expectations ko. And now that they're available from Lazada, mas accessible na siya. Mas madali na natin siya mabibili. As usual, I will leave all the links down to the description box. Let me know what you think. What is your favorite outfit? And if you're gonna buy something from Cider sa Lazada, what will be your first pick? Let me know what you think down below and I will see you on my next one. Bye!